Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes with your iPhone. So here I have a QR code, and let's say I want to scan it. And to do that, you don't even need a third-party app. All you need is your iPhone's camera. But before we start scanning, it'll also be a good idea to check if the scanning QR code mode is active. So let's go to settings, let's search up camera, there we go, let's press on the camera option, and here we have scan QR codes. So this option should be toggled on if you want to scan QR codes. Now we can continue, we can open up our camera app, and all we need to do is go to photo mode and just point our camera straight at the QR code. And here, as you can see, this little link appears on the bottom, which leads to the scanned QR codes link. There we go. And that's pretty much it. It's that easy. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.